Iyo po.
Oh, sala.
Oh, pwede na sa malayo.
Okay. Good parking.
Ah, Stade Mercedes Bay. I already missed this.
You go first.
Yeah, okay. I won't. Egg, longanisa, some other sausage. What's this bread?
Pandesal.
This is a pandesal.
That's a pandesal.
So I'm gonna cut it open. Watch the skills here. So you can see knives inside. I take. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put this whole thing in there.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna take one of these. Two.
I think 3 fits.
Let's be daring and you do 3.
Yeah.
Open.
That's perfect.
And then take a bite.
That's egg and hot dog sandwich and pandesal. Yeah, what do you have here? Oh, you have some beef tapa and then longanisa. And here on my plate, oh my god, look what I have. The fried rice, dried milkfish, longanisa. I have the beef tapa, tocino, dilis, some itlog na maalat, that's salted egg, with some corn, and yesterday's the dried squid, and then the vinegar with some chili. Yeah, and our coffee, and the guy brought us a pot of milk, hot
I
milk.
don't know. I'm gonna put some milk.
Yeah, that's hot milk. So the service is pretty good.
Want some milk?
Yeah, sure. Let's put some. Okay. Okay, let's eat.
Those are the first few bites. Good.
I did like 45 minutes jog, run, and do some squats, push-up, jumping jacks. This morning, it was early. I really did a good cardio.
Now you are in this.
Yeah. So I don't know how much calorie this is. I probably like burn like less than 500 calories, and this is more than 500, but at least, you know, workout. And I think this is not so bad. I only have little carbs. It's more protein. So yeah, enjoy.
Going for another swim before we have to check out. Nice.
Okay, I'm
Leaving Mississippi. Bye, Mississippi's Bay. Bye. Bye, nice view and swimming pool and beach. See you soon. Bye.
We're heading out now. We're checking out Mama and Uncle are here to pick us up. So we wish we stayed for a few more days. Yeah, it's really fun here. We had a lot of fun. But next time we will stay here longer, right? Henry?
Yes,
Had fun?
definitely. Yes,
Okay.
I had a lot of fun. A lot of fun.
We're just oh yeah. Oh like we're just here, just go around. Okay. Bye.
Sir, her examination result pati interview assessment matataas. We believe na she is perfectly fit for the position.
It's hot and we're stopping because the car is overheating.
Kinonsulta namin kayo, sir, about her. In-approve niyo naman po kayo.
Doon pa ka nag-ito pagpadalaga sa mga pulo. Kaya kita lang yan, tuk-tuk siya doon. Yun siya kinakante mo na pati. Tuminig pa. Eh, may natukan pa. Sa doon saan? Ito na ng parking nga siya dyan. Sa taas.
That was a resort. Oh, Reyes before that. Boy, pa mo parang Reyes. That was a resort. This is Captain Mike's resort.
I stole the Captain Morgan's logo.
I know. The font right?
It's his brother.
Kasi pinili ko rin siya mong pintaan.
One's wrong, one's resort.
Kapag na rin ligas pinaan.
Going inside. Inayuwa ta di Kabok siya ng bintana ang kuwan.
Oo, di.
Oo ta. Ang langan ka na as. More than price of this. Sa mga
Tingin ka yung pinampun niya.
park bidding. O tamo for sale yan. Pwede kita dyan sa... Yan natad din na yan ako.
Yan.
Yan. Saan na yan? Unang balay na yan.
Howdy ba?
Huwag mo na gito. This is we're going to Sherwin's Resort. This is not developed yet. So. Hello, doggy. Don't touch the dog, honey. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Ayun, dito pala nung pala ni Anthony Licate.
Oh,
Ang pag Semana Santa.
oh yeah. That's the one that
Oh, this is nice.
we watch it.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh yeah. So it's not developed yet. So this is it. Tama rin yung ano niya. Oh, I see. Iling ba?
Mayans behind those clouds in the distance. Can't see the peak. It's there.
Para pag ano na fully developed na nainot na ako nakapapicture.
Duduman na hanggang sa may tinampo. Napakaliit.
Okay, we're going to end this vlog here. We are on our way back to Legazpi City, so we will catch up with you there. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Diyan na lang po ako sa may 7-Eleven.
Salamat Maraya.
Thank you man sa pag-ano.
Salamat
bisita.
James. Salamat
Thank you
sa
for
ulitin.
visiting the
Thank you so much.